Hi, I'm Kristy from Slim Birdie. Exercise is pretty important, but sometimes the programs are too hard, too long, and we end up not doing them at all. I've created something new called 1-10 Tone. Today I'm going to show you one of those exercises. First of all, grab any light weights you have. I'm using these 2 kilo ankle weights. The key here is to make sure the weights are light enough so you can do the exercise for 10 minutes. Okay, we've got our weights. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly flexed, don't lock them in, and all we're doing is a basic bicep curl. So we're going up and down, or you can alternate and do one at a time. We really want to isolate the muscle doing the work. Remember, keep your posture and body solid. Do 10 reps, then rest for 10 seconds, and then another 10 reps, and keep going until your 10 minutes is up. And that's it. So whack on that timer for 10 minutes, crank up those tunes and go. And don't forget to grab a copy of my book, link below. See you next time.